I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing in or creating an account. Add a payment method so orders process immediately. Once done, make sure location services are on and drop the map pin at your exact address to avoid mistakes. You'll then open the app and choose nearby or use search to find a restaurant. As you pick, apply filters for cuisine, delivery time, and price to narrow results quickly. This gets you immediately ready to build an order. You add items by tapping them and using modifiers for size, sides, and any special instructions. Be explicit to avoid mistakes. Then review the order summary. Check item totals, taxes, fees, and the estimated delivery time so you know the final cost and arrival window. Before you hit checkout, enter promo codes or confirm a Dash Pass membership to reduce fees. Once you confirm items and payment, place the order. You watch the live tracker as the driver accepts, prepares, and heads your way. Message them for specifics and choose door, curbside, or leave at door with clear instructions. When they arrive, verify the items and tip an app if you prefer. That closes the transaction. If something's wrong, a missing item or late delivery, first message the driver, then use the help section to request a refund or replacement. If support is slow, document order details and escalate through the app's complaint flow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.